In 1908, a mysterious blast occurred in Tunguska, Siberia, an event that scientists still can't fully explain. An explosion that's more than 1,000 times more powerful than the Hiroshima atomic bomb. Yet, incredibly, there was no crater. Do you know why? This is what a crater looks like, but in this case, on June 30th, 1908, in the remote forests of Siberia, Russia, an explosion more than 1,000 times more powerful than the Hiroshima atomic bomb rocked the region. There was no crater. Why? Because it was an airburst. The object exploded high in the atmosphere, several kilometers above the ground. The massive shock wave flattened over 80 million trees across more than 2,150 square kilometers in a giant radial butterfly pattern. The Tunguska blast remains one of the greatest mysteries in history. What exactly caused it? We may never know for sure,